Opti is a hard-wearing ceramic clear coating that provides better chemical resistance, scratch resistance and release properties than any automotive coating in use. Applying Opti follows a simple yet critical application process, leaving a permanent layer of protection for all factory paints and exterior surfaces. Opti does not mask paint defects. Prepare the surface for machine polishing by removing any embedded contamination and correct any visible paint damage prior to coating. Clean the surface thoroughly using 15% isopropyl alcohol solution to remove all polishing oils and any remaining contamination. Prime the Opti applicator by making an X pattern across the pad. Only a few drops will be needed for each subsequent panel. Wipe the Opti onto a single panel at a time in a thin layer using two directions, front to back, then side to side. Add additional Opti to the applicator as required to ensure that it glides easily across the surface. Within 5 minutes, inspect the panel with adequate lighting, looking for any thick areas that have not flashed away to clear. Note that flash time may vary greatly depending on ambient temperature and humidity. Adjust this timing according to conditions. Use the Opti applicator or paint-safe microfiber cloth to gently even out any areas where you see streaks. This step is key, as any spots not leveled will have to be polished if allowed to cure. Repeat steps 1 to 5 for each panel where application is desired. Panels will feel tacky and will be self-leveling during cure time, so avoid any unnecessary touching, wiping or contact in the first 30 minutes. Opti is resistant to liquids within 12 hours of application. Avoid allowing the surface to be wet during this time. Opti will continue to harden with heat in the first 30 days. Particular care should be taken when handling the surface during this time to avoid unnecessary defects in the coating.